science class. Today is Sunday and the date is the 14th of March 2021. We learned a lot about how to be or how to investigate like a scientist. So we learned a lot of steps. We need steps to go through so we can investigate like a scientist. Now, in number 1 over here, I need you to make an order. Order it. You need to order it. Number the steps from 1 to 4 to tell a way some scientists investigate. Who wants to start? You can raise your hand. If you would like to start, you can raise your hand. What do you need to do first? Are you going to observe and ask a question? Or you are going to make a test? Or you will draw a conclusion? Or you'll make a hypothesis and plan for a test? What do you think, Salim, you are going to do first? Hi, Salim.
I will do hi.
You will hypothesize first? Are you sure?
Yes.
Before you hypothesize, Salim, you need to do something. A hypothesis is an answer for a question. So what first you need to do?
We got to do our experiment.
Okay.
We got to do our experiment.
Thank you for trying, Salim, but that's not right. We will see. Thank you for trying. Who can tell me? Hi, Hamza. Are you going to make a test, draw a conclusion, make a hypothesis, or observe and ask a question? What should you do first?
What?
What are you going to do first? Are you going? Excellent. First, number 1 is to draw, to observe and ask a question. You need to ask a question first. Very good.
Yes.
You need to ask a question, number 1. Okay, after asking a question, what are you going to do? Huh? You can tell me. Hi, Salim. Can you try again? If number 1
Ask
is...
the question.
This is number 1. After you ask a question, what are you going to do?
We're gonna do the experiment.
First, before the experiment. Are you going to draw a conclusion and communicate, or you will make
Before
a hypothesis and plan a fair test?
I will plan a first test.
Excellent. You will hypothesis, make a hypothesis and plan a fair test. This is number 2. Excellent. Making a hypothesis, guys, is to answer. Remember, when you answer a question with something you already know, so you are making a guess about it. This is how you make a hypothesis. And you plan a fair test. After you plan a fair test, ya Ahmed, what do you do?
Do that test and record what happens.
Excellent, ya Ahmed.
Observe.
You do the test and you record what happened. This is number 3. Excellent. What is number 4? What is number 4? Who can tell me? Let's see who can tell me what is number 4. Hi, Talal. Talal? Okay, Talal.
Yes,
Okay, what is number 4, ya Talal?
Draw conclusions,
Excellent.
and communicate.
Excellent. Number 4 is to draw a conclusion and communicate. Very well, very well. Excellent. Okay, everyone finished? Are you ready to move to the next one? Are you ready to move to number 2? All right, we are moving to number 2. So I need you to circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Now suppose you make a poster to show the result of your test. Okay? You need to show the result of your test. What are you doing? Are you observing? Are you making a hypothesis? Are you planning your test or you are communicating? Now you finished everything and you need to show the result of everything. Hi, Hamza.
Open my mic.
Yes, I want you to answer, ya Hamza.
Okay.
When you make a poster, huh?
Poster.
To show the result of your test, what are you doing? When you show the result of your test, are you observing? Are you making a hypothesis? Are you planning? Or you are communicating?
Making community.
Again, I can't hear you, ya Hamza. When you show the result of your test, you want to show the result of your test, what are you doing? Yes? Excellent. Excellent, ya Hamza. Communicating. Very good. When you are doing the result or showing the result of your test, definitely you are communicating. Please, everyone, circle the word communicating. If you finished, we are moving to the next question. All right. Are you ready, everyone? Let's move to the next page. Okay. Now I want you to circle the word to complete each sentence. Let's start with Abdelilah Al-Badi.
Yes.
Okay, number 1, ya Abdelilah. Do you want to read or I will read for you?
You.
Okay. You use inquiry skills and science tools to learn. You communicate or investigate?
Investigate.
Excellent. Bravo يا عبد الإله. You investigate. Let's circle the word investigate. Excellent عبد الإله. Bravo.
If we write it.
Yes, please. No, you can circle it only. You only circle it. You only make a circle. All right. Let's see, Ismail. Where are you today? I can't see you, ya Ismail.
Yes, miss.
Number 2, read and answer.
You took the first step to do an investigation. You observe.
Excellent. You take the first step to do an investigation. So you are not drawing a conclusion, you are observing. Excellent. So you observe. Very good, yeah. Ismail, excellent. Now let's see Abdurrahman. Hi, Abdurrahman. How are you? After Abdurrahman, Talal Iyad. After Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. I can't hear you, Abdurrahman. Can you raise your voice? Okay. Number 3, you make a statement that you can test. Is it hypothesis or conclusion? If your statement, you can test. You make a statement that you can test. Is it hypothesis? Is it conclusion? Okay, show me your thumbs because I cannot see you. If it's correct, thumbs up. If it's wrong, thumbs down. Is it hypothesis? Excellent. Yes, thank you, Abdurrahman. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Let's see. Talal Iyad. Okay, Talal, you closed your mic. It's all right. Talal Iyad.
What?
How are you, Talal?
I'm fine.
Number 4, ya Talal. You use information you gathered to explain what you learned. So, you draw a conclusion or observe?
Conclusion.
Excellent. You draw a conclusion. Very well. Very well. Excellent, ya Talal. Now let's see finally. Where is Abdul Ilah Haddad? Abdul Ilah. Are you here, ya Abdul Ilah? Okay. Let's see. Abdul Aziz. Hi, Abdul Aziz.
Yes, yes.
Okay, number 5, ya Abdul Aziz.
Number 5.
Yes, you write to tell about the result of a test. So, if you are writing about the result of a test, you communicate or ask a question?
Communicate.
Excellent, ya Abdulaziz. Bravo, bravo, bravo. You communicate. Excellent, ya Abdulaziz.
Miss, we do this page. Why we do it? Yes, miss. Miss?
It's all right as a revision. Abdulillah Haddad, I was trying to call you, so you answer the question, but you did not answer me. It's okay. You will do the next page. So everyone finished from this page? Hiya Salim, did you finish writing? Very good. Everyone, excellent. All right, let's move to the next page then. All right. Now, these steps show a test some children did, okay? I want you to label each box with a step from this lesson. So you will read with me and you will tell me which step is this one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see. Who wants to start? Let's start with Saif.
Yes.
Number 1, the first box.
The children look at an ice cube. They ask, will it melt in the sun? Observe and
What did they do?
Investigate. They investigated.
Okay, they are investigating, but what did they use? Which step? The step that says observe and what?
Observe and...
So look at the first part. The first part, they were observing because the children look at an ice cube. And then they ask, will it melt in the sun? So what did they do? They observed and they
communicated hypothesis.
No. Huh? Again. Will it melt in the sun? They ask what?
They ask.
What do you ask? Do you ask an answer? Do you ask a hypothesis? Or you ask a question, yeah, Saif?
Ask a question.
Excellent. So they observed and asked a question. This is the step they used. Thank you. You can close your mic. So observe and ask a question. Now, who wants to do the second one? Hiya, Amir. Let's try with Amir. They form a hypothesis, they form a statement that the ice cube will melt in the sun. So they answered the question. Number 2. I need you to tell me what is the step in number 2. They answered the question with a statement. Okay, yeah, Amir. They are answering the question with a statement that is testable. They said that the ice cube will melt in the sun. So which step they used? Did they observe and ask a question? Or make a hypothesis and plan a test? Or they test? Or they draw? Excellent, excellent. Very good. They made a statement that is testable, so they make a hypothesis. Number 2 is make a hypothesis. Very well. Okay, who wants to do number 3? After they make a hypothesis, they make a hypothesis and plan a test. After they make a hypothesis and plan a test, they follow their plan. The ice cube melts. When the ice cube melts, they decided that the sun's heat caused the ice to melt. So They made the test and what? What comes after making a hypothesis and plan a test? They do the test and, yes, ya Abdelilah, what do they do?
Yes.
So they make test and when they decided that the sun heat, this is the result. What do we call the result? Huh. When you have your result, what do? You draw something, huh? What do you draw? Huh? Do you draw the result? Yes, you draw the result. But what do you call the result? Who wants to tell me? Come on, boys. Yes, ya Ismail.
Conclusion.
Excellent. A conclusion. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Yes, you have it in the previous page. Excellent, ya Ismail. You are very smart, mashallah. Yes, we have it in the previous page. All right, now the children write and draw to tell the result of their test. So, what do they do? Huh? When you draw to tell the result of your test? Huh? You will tell people about it. What do, Yosef? The final step number 4. Huh? You can find the step number. Yes, what is it?
We share our results with other people.
Yes, what do you call it? Come. Look at the previous page. Remember, try to remember. You have step 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is number 4?
Communicate.
Yes, it is communicate. Excellent. Very good. You communicate. All right, boys, that was everything for today. Thank you everyone for participating. We'll say bye-bye to recording and you still have 1 more minute to write. Boys, bye-bye recording.